Okay, so let's assume you have finished transcribing your data. So what next? So the next thing that you have to think about is making sure that participants' identity and confidentiality and privacy are protected. So how do you do that? You just have to think about ways of eliminating any identifiable information in the transcript that may cause people to know who your participants are, right? So normally if you have their names on the transcript, you have to eliminate that information and also give them IDs just to make sure that you are protecting participants. There are also some, demographic information that you may have collected unknowingly or knowingly that you have to also think about and make sure that they are not exposing participants, right? So let's say you collected demographic information like their gender, and you know that if you include gender in the data and analyze and present the findings, people will know who your participants are. You have to eliminate that information. So any sensitive information there that will cause people to easily identify participants, make sure that that information have been removed. So you can replace their names with letters and numbers like P1, P2, P3. That's what I normally do. You can also give them fake names just to make sure that they are protected, right? This one is so important because the participant volunteered and sacrificed for you to get rich information from them. So it's your responsibility also to protect the information that they have given you and making sure that their private information are not displayed in public that can cause people to know who they are. So it's very important to make sure that you are protecting participants.